Okay, guys, let's continue with our study about p-value approach. Right, so let's take a look at our example 3. Kita dah bacakan soalan ni tadi. So what we need to do is now we start with our first step, step 1. Step 1, we need to state the hypothesis, null and hypothesis alternative. So null alternative. So this one is about average. So what information that can help you to solve this question is this word, exceed 6 years. So this one is good information for alternative hypothesis, which is mu exceed 6 years mean more than 6. So H null is less than equal to 6 years. So for the second step, okay, we need to identify what is the significance level, and our significance level is alpha equal to 5%, 0.05. Okay, so in the step 3, okay, we need to calculate the test statistic value. Z equal to x bar minus mu over sigma over square root of n, since they give you the information about sigma 0.8. So our x bar is 6.3 minus mu is 6 over sigma is 0.8 over n is 100. So please calculate this before we find the p-value, right? So please calculate together. 6.3 minus 6 over 0.8 divided by, so my answer is 3.75. Okay, so now this is the crucial step in p-value approach. Okay, so macam biasa, what we need to do is lakar ni, and we know that this is the right tail test. So this area is our rejection region, and this value is 0. And remember, in step 3, we get test statistic value is 3.75. And where is the 3.75 is located? Okay, this value is here. Okay, 3, sorry, what happened? Okay, 3, cepat. Okay, sorry. Okay, please. Okay, swim 3.75. Okay, from this 3.75, we need to find the area, the rejection area ni, how big the ataupun the probability of the rejection region tu, ataupun luas kawasan dia berapa. So 3.75. So seperti biasa, we take a look at our normal distribution table. Okay, 3.75 is positive, right? So okay, this area, the table, normal distribution table, the maximum value is 3.69. So the value is greater than 3.69, like in our problem 3.75. Here is 1 minus 0.9999. Okay. Okay, kita kena fikir secara logik because the rejection region is very small and there's no way that the rejection region is luas than 99.99%, right? So still remember, the full area is 100%. What we need to do is 100% minus 99.99%. So this area consists of 0.0001. So apa yang kita katakan tentang what is the p-value, this is your p-value, 0.0001. So kita state kat sini, our p-value equal to 0.0001. And at the step 4, what we need to do is you compare with your step 2 value, which is our significance level 5%. So you know that this one is less than apa ni, so our less than 0.05. So remember, if our p-value is less than significance level, our decision is rejectional. Okay, so that's our step 4, which is to make decision based on our p-value that you got from the step 3, which is 0.001, which is less than 0.05. So our decision is rejectional. Okay, so if we rejectional, so what can we say at the step 5, which is to make conclusion? Is there evidence to support the claim that LED lifespan exceeds 6 years? Of course. So because of our decision is to rejectional, so our rejectional, so this reject. So this is apa yang kita terima, alternative. So alternative hypothesis, the claim for this question, which is greater than 6 years. So we can say here there is tulis kat sini, there is evidence to support the claim. Okay, just that. It's very simple. Okay, the only crucial step is at step 3, because you need to calculate the test statistic value, and from that test statistic value, you will get, you try to find the p-value. That's what we call p-value approach, right? Okay, so our example 4. Okay, current antivirus fails to protect computer from viruses in 5% of the computer that installed with the antivirus software. The company take a random sample 200 computers that installed blah blah and find 4 of them fail to protect the viruses. Is there significant evidence to support the claim that less than 5% of the company antivirus will fail to protect computers from viruses? Use alpha 0.01. So after all so many examples, so I think you can complete this example for easily. All right, so let's do this together. We start with step 1. Okay, step 1, what we need to do is, because this one is about proportion, right? So rational alternative. So alternative, because they ask you to support the claim that less than 5%, so P less than 0.05, so rational is P greater or equal 0.05. Right, so our second step, we identify the significance level. So our significance level is only 0.01. Okay, and then our crucial step, so let's take a look. Let's give red here, and our Z is P hat minus P over PQ over N, and you know that our P hat is 4 out of 200 minus P is 0.05 over the square root of 0.05 times 0.95. Okay, and our N is 200, and calculate. Let's calculate together. For bahagi tolak 0.05. Okay, bahagi dengan the square root of 0.05 times 0.95 over 200. My answer here is negative. Oh, come please. Negative, please. This one for last example before I go to the class. So, negative 1.9467. 9467. Okay, so since we have 4 decimal places here and we want to refer to the Z table, so we only take 2 decimal places. So that means negative 1.95. So please refer to the table. Z here, negative, where's the negative? Negative 1.96, right? So negative 1.96 somewhere here. Betul tak? Sorry, sebelah dia. Okay, 0.0250. So yeah, so sorry, so kita refer to this note. Okay, so macam biasa kita lukis. Sorry, cepat habis ni. Okay, saya lukis. And since dia berada di left tail test here, okay, here is 0 and our critical value is negative. So saya tukar negative 1.95. So this area is berapa? Jadi kita dapat tadi, cepat lupa, which is 0.0250. So sorry, this our p-value is 0.0250. So kita state kat sini, our p-value is 0.0250. Remember, p-value there's no negative. Okay, negative is only at the critical value. Alright, so our p-value is always positive, 0.0250. So for this example, so for our fourth step, our p-value is 0.0250. We compare with our alpha. So since it's greater than alpha 0.01, so what is our decision? Our decision is to accept H0. Alright, accept H0. Okay, so yeah, accept H0 or fail to reject H0. Tak payah pening-pening kepala. So just focus on accept H0. So, and the last step, we need to answer the question. Is there significant evidence to support the claim that less than 5%? No lah kan, because we accept H0. So there is no significant evidence. Alright, so we just state there is no significant evidence blah 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 to support the claim. Habiskan ayat ni. Okay, so to support the claim. Okay, I think that's all for p-value approach. Right, so you can try example 5 and example 6 after this as your homework. Yeah, so we finish at the hypothesis test for one population.